In this video, we will explore the various aspects of gaming as a career and how you can turn your passion for gaming into a profession. Many students after 12th aspire to pursue a career in gaming, especially if they love playing video and online games and are also interested in learning game design, animation, visual effects and so on. Building a career in gaming is more about having a passion for games and creativity to innovate new ideas and concepts into engaging games rather than having an educational qualification. Basically, you would need a conceptual knowledge of coding, programming, animation, visual design and storytelling to create an amazing game. The gaming industry has seen exponential growth in the past few years, with the global gaming industry expected to reach $250 billion by 2023. This growth has led to various job opportunities in the gaming industry, including game developers, game designers, game testers, and more. Let's take a look at the top careers in gaming that you can pursue after the 10th or 12th. 1. Game animators conceptualize, design and create incredible graphics, characters and engaging animated game environments. 2. Game artists create 2D and 3D visual arts for games, from simple objects and places to highly animated characters. 3. Game designers oversee everything from the narrative and story of a game to its characters, levels, design, and conceptualization to storylines. 4. Game producers plan, coordinate and produce the whole game and oversee its budget, investment, licensing and everything else. 5. Game writers craft the storyline, characters, their evolution, conceptualization to the overall dialogues and writing aspects of a game. 6. Game testers ensure that the game is ready to be released as they test its every function, from playing the whole game to checking any loopholes in the UX/UI or any errors. 7. Audio engineers curate the audio aspects of a game for a user to experience. This includes the central audio theme, background effects, voiceovers, ambience and so on. 8. Creative directors work on the overall creative and aesthetics of a game and ensure that it's innovative and engaging for the target audience. I hope the video is informative. Please click the subscribe button, share it with your friends and parents. It may happen that their opinion about gaming may change. Is gaming a good career? A career in the gaming industry can be both lucrative and rewarding. Let's list out the reasons why you should. Gaming is emerging as the most popular career. Video game developers, designers and artists are in demand with the increased popularity of video games. Smartphones, PlayStations, computers, and tablets are expanding the feasibility of playing video games. The gaming industry has taken the world by storm, catering to some of the most creative and gripping employment opportunities worldwide. There is a gamut of disciplines, from planning to coding and level design, for students with a huge potential in game design. 5. Game designers, programmers, and developers have a scope of earning a higher salary depending upon their level of proficiency and experience. To pursue game designing courses after the 12th, there are certain prerequisites you must know. Though the actual course requirements might vary as per the program and institution, here are some general requirements for gaming courses. For diploma and bachelor's degree programs, you must complete high school qualification or equivalent, which is 10+2 with minimum marks specified by the university. 8. For master's degrees, you must have a bachelor's degree in any field, preferably science and technology specialization. 9. If you are planning to pursue game designing courses abroad, you will have to submit language proficiency scores of IELTS, TOEFL, etc., along with a statement of purpose and letters of recommendation. Career scope. A degree in game designing courses after 12th encompasses the following possible roles. 1. 2D and 3D game designer. 2. Concept or storyboard artist. 3. Programmer. 4. Systems designer. 5. Graphics designer. 6. Level designer. 7. Digital animator. 8. Character artist or animator. 9. Texture artists. 10. Creative writer. 11. Storyline editor. 12. Graphics simulator. 13. Game tester or quality assurance. Average salary in gaming. The average salary of a game designer is around 4.5 lakhs to 5.1 lakhs PA for entry-level profiles. Top gaming companies. With the exploding popularity of the gaming industry, the number of quality video game companies continues to prosper. Let's list the gaming companies that have been highlighted as the best in the world. 1. Tencent Games, Fortnite, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds. 2. Sony Computer Entertainment, Air Combat, The Last of Us. 3. Microsoft Xbox, Halo, Minecraft. 4. Nintendo Company, Mario, Pokemon. 5. Electronic Arts, FIFA, Need for Speed. 6. Activision Blizzard, Call of Duty, Overwatch. 7. Valve Corporation, Counter-Strike, Half-Life. 8. Rockstar Games, Grand Theft Auto, Max Payne. 9. Sega Games Company, Sonic the Hedgehog, Virtua Fighter. 10. Bandai Namco Entertainment, Tekken, Dragon Ball. 11. Gameloft, Asphalt, Modern Combat. 12. King, Candy Crush Saga, Bubble Witch Saga. 13. Ubisoft, Assassin's Creed, Prince of Persia. If there is any suggestion or you would like us to do a video on any other career course, do mention it in the comments, and we will do it for you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.